Good morning, guys. I'm going to set up my 5-tier Greenstock original vertical planter. This one is the basket weave. I have another cherry blossom, and it's the basic one. It's just plain. I don't see any difference in color between the basic and the basket weave. Each planter has six planting packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with 5 planters times 6 equals 30 planting packets. It also includes 4 watering discs to distribute the water, and 1 tap water reservoir for easier watering. I also ordered the lid the spinner base came with 12 inches drain tube. Attach the tube in a secure way up to that level. Put soil inside the planter and then put it inside the spinner. Spin it to make sure that it's properly attached. Then plant whatever you want. Add more soil. After which, attach the water disc. Put soil in the second planter. When you attach the second planter, make sure that there's no soil around this area here. Then attach the teeth of the second planter. Secure them. Rotate. Plant. Add more soil if necessary. And the water disc, and so forth. After attaching the 5th planter, this will be the one on the top, the water reservoir. Make sure that there's no soil around this area and that area. So you insert this one between this and the one inside. Open the lid. Then you can close it after putting water inside. Spin again to see that everything is okay. By the way, this is the soil that I used, Happy Frog. The Greenstock company recommended light and fluffy soil like the Happy Frog. Make sure that all the feet are inside. This one is not. There. Very nice root system. There's the crown. I don't want to bury the crown, only the roots. I'm going to plant the runners. I need to firm down the soil. That's the crown. That one. I'm going to remove this small runner because I don't need it. A root is starting to grow, that small little thing. There's the crown. You put the paper clip before the crown, that area. I added more soil in the center, but the level is lower compared to the soil in the pockets. Now, time to add the water disc. I'm going to add the second planter. Make sure that this area where you attach the second planter to secure should be free of soil. It rained last night, that's why my planters are dirty. See that? Make sure that each one of them are attached to the first planter. That's why you need to rotate it to check. It's done. I'm only going to put now the water reservoir on its lid. I planted mostly strawberry plants. There's the water disc. We're going to attach now the water reservoir. So there's a space there between that and this one. So we're gonna insert this one. Going to attach the lid now. I watered the plants individually today. Tomorrow I'm going to start using There's one.